Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful big keto salad with steak and blue cheese dressing, and it's beautiful and colourful and just such a yum dish. And I'll leave a link down below to the blog post where it has the full recipe that you can follow along, pin, bookmark, save to make whenever you want this delicious recipe. So let's get on and make it. Okay, we're going to make our sauce first. I've got half a cup of sour cream in a bowl over there. We're going to add in half a cup of cream, a bit of salt, a couple of teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 1, 2, a bit more splashes there. And we're going to give that a little whisk through. Just use a whisk to get everything off the spoon there. And we're going to whisk that till it's nice and smooth. Okay. Just whisk the cream and the sour cream together. You can add a bit of mayo if you want to instead of cream, sour cream. Just make your own little mixture. Well, that's pretty perfect. Now I'm just going to add in my blue cheese, and I've got this Rockford. I actually got it from Lidl here in Ireland, but use any blue cheese you want. Okay, I've crumbled up about half of that package. It's about probably a third or so of a cup there going in, and we're just going to whisk it in. I've kept some in slightly bigger pieces, some smaller. Just infuse it with that blue cheese flavour. There you go, you can see it all dotted through. Yeah. Now this is just going to go into the fridge, and I'm going to keep it in the fridge for a few hours just to let those flavors develop. The longer you can have in the fridge, the better. So this is going to go in the fridge for a few hours, and then I'm going to take it out when I'm ready to make my steaks, and I will share all that process with you. Okay, the sauce has been in the fridge a few hours. It tastes amazing, and so I'm going to get on and make some steaks. And these ones I got from Lidl here. They're strip loin steaks. I'm just going to cook the two of them up, slice them up, and then put together my salad. Okay, I've had the steaks out for about 5-10 minutes, popped a bit of salt on, just like getting them to room temperature, and then I cook my steaks for about 4 or so minutes aside. Just depends on the size of them, and choose whichever steak you want to cook and cook it however you like it, whether you want it rare or medium or well done, however you want to cook it. So I have got some butter frying up in a frying pan, melting away and getting nice and hot, and I'm going to pop the steaks in now. Okay, the steaks are cooked. Look how beautiful they look. They're cooked for 4 minutes aside in frying pan, and I'm just going to let them rest for a few minutes. And the veggies that I've got all prepped and ready, I've got some tomato, yellow pepper, and a plate full of spinach. And now I'm going to put it all together. Okay, the steak is sliced up into little pieces. Look how beautiful it looks inside. And now we're going to put everything together. So I've got a base of spinach leaves. You can use any greens you like, and I'm going to pop the steak on top of that. And we popped it with the steak strips, some strips of yellow pepper, and I've got about a half a chopped tomato there too. And finally I'm going to drizzle over some of our beautiful blue cheese dressing that we prepared earlier. I drizzled over just a light little bit of the sauce, but I'm going to keep the sauce at the table and add more as I go and enjoy this yum amazing steak salad. So that is the recipe for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you've given this recipe a try, any adaptations you've made, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post where you can pin this recipe to make whenever you want this big beautiful keto salad with blue cheese dressing. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!